going to see Dr. Karam right now.
We're going to lift everything up. Preserving the natural shape of the hairline is really, really important.
I am shocked at how good I feel. I feel 10 to 15 years younger, and Dr. Karam gave me that gift.
All right, folks, I am beyond excited to share Michele's facial rejuvenation process with all of you. We shared her entire journey on Instagram, and literally it blew up. I mean, millions and millions of views. People were watching her heal real time through the entire process. Despite being 70 years old, she still had the desire to look more youthful because she feels youthful on the inside and wanted a face that matches. And it's very inspiring to know that no matter what age we're at, if you do the right things in life in terms of keeping our health and everything else in order, you can live a very rich and wonderful life with good health and a face that matches. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Karam. I'm a board certified facial plastic surgeon. I'm also the founder and creator of KaramMD Skin. Folks, you are going to absolutely love this entire journey. So without further ado, let's look at Michele's Vertical Restore facial rejuvenation journey.
Hi everyone, I'm going to see Dr. Karam right now. He's going to do my vertical facelift. I'm so excited and I cannot wait for the final product.
So surgery day, Michele. She's an incredibly active 70-year-old, like truly an inspiration. And really a huge reason why at 70, Michele already looks this good is because she had a lift done before. But what we're gonna do today, we're gonna remove this excess down here. We're gonna lift everything up with the vertical restore going up this way. And one of the most important aspects of the vertical restore, in addition to being deep plane, etc., is the work on the upper thirds of the face. So all this kind of gets lifted up together. And then under the neck, we're gonna clear all this extra fat out of here. We're gonna take a little bit of skin away from here and add some volume across the eyelids, take away a little bit of skin, and then the lip lift, which I'm really excited about. Open your mouth slightly for us. So you see how the teeth are covered with the lips? What we're gonna do just basically is bring them up just ever so slightly. So go ahead and close for me all the way, and then this little elevation right there. Very subtle, but makes the lips look really pretty. So we are planning to do a hand fat transfer. Hopefully we'll get the fat that we need. But the idea of the fat hand transfer is to fill in the grooves between the tendons and just kind of soften them because we lose fat in our hands as well as our face. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll have the fat that we need and we can get some nice volume in here. So the face and hands match up nicely. So the incisions for the vertical restore live right inside the hairline. Preserving the natural shape of the hairline is really, really important. Her previous lift, you can see there's a slight white scar. We're gonna go in this direction, take the incision behind the ear, down along the hairline. And then the entry plane for the vertical restore is through here. So this is the main area that we're gonna be working on. So this little extra skin under the eyes, when you do a vertical restore, all this moves up and it creates some bunching. So we're gonna basically do a skin pinch to remove this extra bit of skin here. In the lip lift, the incision hides in this natural crease between the lip and the nose. And then in this case, probably 2-3 millimeters of the skin is gonna be removed and the muscle is gonna be tightened. And the incision for the skin pinch is right in the natural lower eyelid crease. And these incisions heal very quickly.
Hi, here is the flying colors. We're ready to go home and stay in bed.
This is the first meal, some broth. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, comfortable. I can't believe I made it. It's all behind me now.
You're healing up like really quickly. Your lip is just already sealed up.
I feel like he was able to do my hands, was he?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, everybody.
That's right.
My hands were done.
Hi everybody. My surgery lasted about 3.5 hours. The nurses were great. Everybody put me at ease. I just had my wrap taken off. Here's my dig unreeling. I am shocked at how good I feel. He did an awesome job. I'm gonna keep continuing to report every day, and I'm hoping that I can convince some of you women that are my age that you just don't feel as good about yourself anymore. Get this done, and you're gonna feel like $1 million.
Oh my God, you look fantastic. Day out.
I'm shocked at how good I feel. I'm going today to the office to get the stitches taken out.
How are we feeling today?
Very, very good. My face is starting to tighten up now in my neck. They told me by day 3 and 4, the swelling starts to get a little bit bigger. It starts at the top and it comes down. So you can see now it's in my mid face coming down through my neck. And by day 5 or 6, it should be gone. I just wanted to address my neck, that I have these drains. They don't hurt at all. It is intimidating, but it doesn't hurt. It's draining everything out, so I'm feeling really good. Today is day 4. I haven't had to take any pain medicine, any sleeping aids, just my vitamins. I'm feeling very, very good. So far, I got out the sutures under my eyes, and the upper lip lift that he did, the sutures are out, and my whole neck area now is out. It feels so good. And honestly, I'm shocked that it really did not hurt. Okay, I'm all done now with Casey. She did a fabulous job.
Yes, so did you.
All the sutures are out. Everything's done.
Here, and then the fat transfers on the thigh. Suture free.
Suture free.
We did it.
We did. It's day 8, going in to see Dr. Karam for the last time.
Hey,
So
hug, my dear.
excited.
Aw,
We made
that's
it.
so beautiful.
I can't thank you enough.
Oh my God! So what a week it's been, huh? It really is incredible. I mean, you still got some swelling and things like that, but this is the beginning of the healing process. So starting right around now is when your body is going to start to resolve all that swelling, and every day you wake up looking a little bit closer to what you're going to look like. But it really is a fun upcoming week between week 1 and 2. Any surprises? What's been your perspective on it?
2 surprises. Number 1, my lip. I love my lips. I love my lips. I feel pretty. And I couldn't do lip injections because when I did filler, they got lumpy. So that was not for me. And the other is my eyes. Every day I've been looking in the mirror. I'm like, my eyes look different to me. What is the difference? I finally figured it out because you said, I put fat up in your eyes. I have beautiful eyes. Everybody has always said that to me. But as I was aging, what I noticed was they were getting hollow. But now I feel great. The other thing I love is my neck. This lower part was falling a bit. It just feels wonderful. But I want to tell you, you know what you gave me that nobody else could give me? Was the gift of growing old gracefully. People always say to you, you have to grow old gracefully. I'm like, that's nonsense. Look in the mirror. Nobody can give you the gift of time. Time stops for nobody, but you gave me the gift of growing old gracefully.
No, I appreciate that. But you've done such a good job. You're literally like the poster child of this, honestly. You did a lift 10 years ago, which slowed the things down at that point. You've been taking good care of your skin. You've been taking care of your body. You've been living like a young person. And then now this is just going to blow everyone else away because no one is going to believe you're 7 years old. That's awesome. That's going to be incredible. So from here, just be aware of physically taking it easy for another week. Your body is still physically healing. The risk of bleeding is still exists, all that stuff. Once you hit the 2-week mark, I'm cool with you doing what you need to do. And the second thing is being very mindful that you still don't touch the incisions, make sure your hands are clean, pillowcase is clean, etc., so that we keep the risk of infection low. And this whole thing will be behind you very soon.
Well, thank you so
All right,
much.
so give me a hug. All right.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
I wish
Thank
all the
you.
best to you as you go on. Good morning, everyone. Today is 14 days post-op since I had my vertical restore with Dr. Karam. I've never gone out of the house without makeup before, and now it's my new daily routine. Look how good I'm doing. It is amazing. And I'm using the old-fashioned rollers in my hair just to give it a little bit of body. Tomorrow, I'm going to be able to start using the trifecta. I can't wait to see how that product works. 45 days post-op, Dr. Karam gave me at least 10 to 15 years back to my face again, and I'm forever grateful to him. Since I had my vertical restore with Dr. Karam, I have been using his trifecta and I love them. I can't tell you, first of all, how easy it is just using 3 products instead of 20. I had night cream, I had day cream, I had eye cream, I had neck cream, I had all kinds of creams. All you have to do is use his 3 products from the trifecta. He said use it for 3 to 6 months. That's what I'm going to do. I'm now probably 50 days post-op. I'm back to work at my bridal salon with my daughter, modeling dresses for the holidays. Look at my face, my skin. I've been using Dr. Karam's trifecta since post-op day 14. My skin is so smooth and feels so great and looks great. It's about 85 days post-op and I'm getting younger every day. I am now 3 months post-op. Today is 4 months post-op. I've been using the trifecta for 4 months now, and I love it. And one thing I added to the trifecta was the Enrich Balm. It is amazing and feels wonderful on your face. You put it on at nighttime after you put the trifecta on, sleep with it all night, and your face feels wonderful. I'm here to say thank you to Dr. Karam because 4.5 months ago, I went to California and I had a deep clean facelift with him. I feel at least 10 years younger. And before my surgery, he gave me a couple suggestions that I never even thought of. I got a lip lift that I absolutely love because I was getting filler in my lips, and over the past couple years, I've had lumps in them, so I couldn't do my lips anymore. And he also suggested to do fat transfer in my hands. You have no idea, when you girls get older, your hands, get wrinkled and they're not the same anymore. And I can't even tell you the compliments I've been getting on my hands. I did not want to turn 70. I was embarrassed to say that I was 70, and now I'm proud of it, thanks to Dr. Karam. He has given me a new life, and I'm so excited to continue on my journey. Thank you, Dr. Karam.
All right, I hope you all enjoyed that. I cannot tell you how grateful I am to so many of my patients, including Michele, obviously, who share these journeys. I mean, this is amazing. It's so uncommon to be able to look at this entire process, watch every step of the way, and be able to uncover and demystify the process of surgical rejuvenation. So forever grateful for all my patients, and thank you so much, Michele, for being so generous, and hopefully you have been inspired to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like. Any questions whatsoever, please drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer as many of them as possible. And ultimately, if you're interested in vertical restore and facial rejuvenation, make sure you check out my website. You'll find all the information, including how to get started on setting up a consultation, etc. All right, folks, until next time, Dr. Karam.